look back at the match highlights. Frankfurt coming into this and off the back of qualifying for the Cup final in midweek after beating Gladbach, and they thought they had the opening goal. The offside flag denies them.
Well, they thought they had a surprising lead here at Eintracht Frankfurt, but clearly offside, and they left it absolutely late. Couldn't get an opportunity on target from open play. Forget about it. Corner kick, Sebastian Rudy, and how about that for a header? Wonderful from Benjamin Hubner. Excellent winning goal. There's nothing better than scoring a last-minute winner.
Here we see a recap of all of the results at the weekend. Dortmund and Leipzig both held, and confirmation by Munich, rounding out yet another Bundesliga title with a 6-0 win, just to 6 goals on the road against Wolfsburg. There's what it means to the standings, and Hoffenheim ahead of Dortmund ahead of next week's clash.
Just look at number 6 position there. Werder Bremen, all the way from a relegation place into a Europa League spot. How tight is the Bundesliga?
Incredible. Gladbach into the top half of the standings as well. For Eintracht Frankfurt, their free fall continues.
They fall all the way down to the bottom half of the table. Leverkusen dangerously close to that relegation zone. The fight right now is between Ingolstadt, Hamburg, Wolfsburg and Mainz for that relegation playoff place.